The Youngevity UK and Europe Show with Dr. Wallach.
Hi, my name's Jonathan Smith. Welcome to the Youngevity UK and Europe Show with Dr. Wallach. Each week we'll go through the Dead Doctors Don't Lie show and handpick information regarding people's specific health concerns. So listen now as Dr. Wallach gives his expert advice on how to deal with the root cause of illness and disease nutritionally. If you would like further information on the products recommended in the show, they can be found in the description below the video. Enjoy the show.
The Youngevity UK and Europe Show.
Okay, Doug, what pearls of wisdom do you have for us?
Well, I've got a story here today about anxiety, and they say that relieve anxiety with herbal supplements. And they say that it's normal to feel anxious about certain moments in everyday life. However, if you begin worrying to the point that you're panicking or it's affecting your health or quality of life, you may have an anxiety disorder. Say conventional medicine treatments for anxiety require synthetic drugs, which have side effects. As the most common mental disorder affects all ages, potential natural treatments for anxiety are a great interest to many. First off, they talk about passion flower. Say there are many kinds of passion flower. It has a long history as an anxiolytic and remedy, as well as a remedy for pain relief and sleep disorders. A clinical study published in the Journal of Clinical Pharmacy and Therapeutics showed that it was just as effective as the prescription medications at treating anxiety. Kava, traditional drink made from the Piper methysticum, a medicinal plant used by many cultures for centuries as an anxiolytic and has anxiolytic properties, also consumed to help improve sleep. And then they go on to say that ashwagandha, an Ayurvedic herb, has been increasing in popularity in recent years as a treatment for stress and anxiety. Has been studied numerous times for its efficacy for relieving anxiety and has been shown to be as effective as the drugs. And CBD oil has been reported as an effective natural treatment for a number of conditions, particularly anxiety, pain, depression, and sleep disorders. CBD is an active ingredient in the cannabis sativa plant. And then they go on to talk about St. John's wort, which is an herbal medicine, has been recognized for decades, is also used to treat depression, and is used as a natural remedy for anxiety and sleep disorders. Many studies have established the efficacy of St. John's wort as a treatment for depression. So there you go, natural ways to get rid of your anxiety.
Okay, well, thank you so very much, Doug. Yeah, in these days and times, all this COVID stuff and people losing their job, there's a lot of anxiety out there. And, of course, people want to get on their 90 essential nutrients, and we have what we call Synaptive, which contains some of these things you're talking about here. Take 3 of those Synaptive capsules. That's along with the 90, not by itself, along with the 90. And, of course, we have the Relax, which is part of our hempfx.com, hempfx.com. Okay, it's a CBD oil with 5 other herbs added to it to help you relax when you have anxiety, but also if you have a sleep disorder, you can take it a half hour before bedtime. And the beautiful thing about it is it's a dropper bottle. You put a dropper full under your tongue, and you'll go to sleep. Whereas a lot of these things, if you have a gluten problem, your intestines are damaged. If you take it orally, you don't get the results because you can't be efficiently absorbing it. I also want everybody to follow what you're saying here, Doug. And to do that, they need to get a hold of that quartet of books, including Passport to Aromatherapy.
The Youngevity UK and Europe Show with Dr. Wallach.
Thanks for listening to this week's show. If you're listening on YouTube, subscribe to the channel, and for more info on the products mentioned in this week's show, check out the links in the description.